For this activity, you are going to need your sight word ornament paper, which is in your independent activities packet, a white crayon. If you don't have white, you can really honestly use any color, and you will need some markers. Okay, so you can put your name up at the top. And what we're going to do is we are going to write these sight words. Now I know white you cannot see, so you're just going to try your best. So we're going to write our sight words that we have been working on. One goes in each ornament. So the first word is a new word, and it is the word S-E-E, see, like I see a cat. So we're going to write this word in the first ornament. So you're going to write S-E-E, and don't be worried if you can't see it yet, because it is there. It's going to be like magic. So write C in the first one. In the second ornament, we're going to write the word, what word is this? Am, good. Lowercase a, lowercase m, am. In the next ornament, the third one over, 1, 2, 3, I know it's hard because you can't see what you've written. The next word is, what is this word? Good, I. And remember, I is talking about yourself, which is a noun, so you're going to write a capital I. Don't worry about if you didn't write it perfectly, that is okay. In the last ornament in this row, we're going to write this sight word. T-H-E, T-H-E, I can spell the, T-H-E, so this is the word the. So lowercase t, lowercase h, and a lowercase e. And again, I know you can't see the letters, just try your best. Great, T-H-E. In the next row down, I'm going to start at this ornament, and I'm going to write this word. What word is this? Is, good job, I-S. So write lowercase I, lowercase s. We can't see them yet, but we'll be able to soon. The last word we're going to write is the word, what word is this one? Do you remember? L says ol. Little, very good. So this is a really long word and it might be a little bit tricky fitting it inside of this ornament. So we want to start all the way over here at the very side and write L, I, T, T, L, and even I ran out of room, and it's okay if you write over it, you'll still be able to see it, E. Now I have a bunch of ornaments that are empty, and I'm just going to write letters, or you could even write your name if you would like to in those. So I'm going to write Mrs. in this one, Nusker in this one, I'm going to write some of my letters, like maybe down here you could write the letter G, H, I'm going to write Z. I know I'm going kind of fast, but you can write whatever letters that you would like to write in these other ornaments. Y, another one. I'm going to move this up. I have my last row, and I am going to make an X. Let's see. P, F, ooh, and Q, a lowercase q. That might be kind of hard to write as it's invisible. If you need to use an alphabet strip to see which letters you would like to write to help you with the formation, you may do that to help you with writing some other letters, but you want to fill all of them in. Now we get to the really fun part. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a marker, and you can pick whatever colors you want. They can be holiday colors, whichever you would like. And I'm going to start with the first ornament, and I'm going to use my marker, and I'm going to color over this ornament and watch what happens. Ooh, what word did we uncover? Do you remember what sight word that was? C-S-E-E. Very good. Now I'm going to pick a different color and color over this next ornament and see what word we had written in this one. And there's my next word, A-M. What word was that? Am. Excellent. Keep going. And you can pick different colors for these ornaments. Ooh, that one's an easy one. What word? I. And if your writing looks a little silly, that's okay because we were writing with white, which is invisible. We couldn't see it. You will have to use a marker to uncover these to be able to see what the words are. Next one. What word did we write? Great. There's the word T-H-E, the. And you're going to just keep going. And you can see that in these extra ones, there's my name. You can uncover what letters you have written in some of the other ones. But I want you to say the names of the letters or the sight words as you color them. So this was our sight word ornaments. You can finish uncovering all of these with your markers. And this was a fun way for us to practice. Great job. Keep up the great work.